everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you here, and if you're new to this channel, that on this channel we are having trading sessions together from where you can learn tips and tricks how to trade successfully and to make your trading process a really wonderful process where you always get profit and everything is according to your trading plan. Today I'm going to start with $60 on my deposit and all the essential information about our trading. Today I will tell you exactly when we are going to trade. But before we will start, guys, please put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel if you didn't subscribe yet, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. And yeah, let's get started. So guys, today we're going to trade with you on OTC currency pairs. The broker specifically broadcasts such pairs for on weekends or at night, so it's really useful and helpful for those who doesn't have time to trade on working days, let's say. So the OTC charts are perfectly suitable for technical analysis, and of course the indicator is also acceptable, and today we will trade based on technical analysis, and to help our technical analysis we are going to use Awesome Oscillator Indicator. This indicator of the volume, so it will tell us which volumes prevail on the market to increase or decrease, and we will work with you on support and resistance levels, also on the approach to the level and on the breakout. At the same time, we'll pay attention to the indicator hints. As you can see, the indicator is already connected to me. All settings are left by default. The indicator looks like a horizontal line with a 0, and on different sides of which red and green histograms are formed. And the signal is the moment when, for example, a green histogram is formed. The situation tells us that the volumes are growing for an increase. Also, when a red histogram is formed, the situation tells us that the volumes are growing downwards. Also, of course, the indicator may have errors, false signals during pullbacks or when the price moves in the pro-trading zone. Therefore, don't forget the support and resistance levels. Also pay attention to the overall trading situation as a whole. Only a competent combination of technical analysis and the indicator together will give us a good results. Be sure to watch this video till the end, guys, and I think that there will be different situations on our trading today. You will be able to see how I work with this indicator. And yeah, guys, let's get started. After a while, we see that the price is approaching a certain point. On this segment, we see that this is the highest point. Let's use it to set the resistance level. We also see that at the moment the price is approaching our level with fairly confident good impulse candles. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 1 minute to go up. The price has an excellent potential to increase with a high probability that it will be broken through. The indicator also confirms our entry point. I also want to say right away that this level is internal, that is another resistance level is slightly higher, and since this level is internal, it is more likely that it will still be broken through. We just see that at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond our level with good confident impulse green candles. I think that we will have time to work with you on this upward movement, and 1 minute here will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well, great, guys, as you can see, this level has been broken and we make a profit here. The indicator also gave us a good entry point. After breaking through the level, there was a logical pullback down, but at the same time we also do not see that the price hasn't yet reached the upper resistance level. At the same time, the price has an excellent potential for going up. It is possible that in the near future it will continue to move upwards, so I will watch the price a little and maybe we will open the next deal here. So guys, we see that after some time the price also fell into the pro-trading zone. It has been moving in this range for some time, and at the moment there has been an exit from this zone. The price continues to move up to the main resistance level. In this situation, I was just opening a deal for 2 minutes to go up. We also see that after the red histogram, a green histogram begins to form. This means that the volumes for the increase are growing, and in the near future the price will move up. I think that we'll have time to work with you on this upward movement. The price will continue to move towards the level, so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, as you can see, the price has really continued to move up, and here we are making profit. Also, after the price approaches the level, a reaction from the level occurs, the price begins to fade, the reversal occurs. Perhaps in the near future the price will roll back down, but the most important thing is that we managed to work with you on this upward movement. And so guys, I think it's a really good start. Let's continue considering another situation in the market. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment there is an upward movement. The price is approaching the level. At the same time, the price has next potential for going up. We also see that the green histogram is formed at the same time. This means that the volumes for the increase are growing. And in this situation, I think I will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that the price will continue to move towards the level and we will have time to work with you on this upward movement. So 2 minutes. Also with the margin, take into account possible pro trade or pull back down. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the price continued to move towards the level. This is where we make a profit. These situations work fine. We have just worked on the approach of the price to the level. The indicator also gave us a good entry point. So everything is going perfect. Let's continue considering that situation on the market. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that the main price lows are getting higher. The overall price potential is going up. At the moment, there is a kind of compression. Also, at the same time, green histograms begin to form, and I think we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. Because I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up and this level will be broken. I want to say right away that this level is quite strong since the price has already touched this level several times. But since at the moment recently the price is especially close to this level, it is more likely that this time it will still be broken through. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us, even taking into account possible pro trade. So guys, let's wait for the result. Love it guys, as you can see the price still continued to move up and the level was broken. Here we get a good confident profit. The indicator turned out to be right again and it gave us a really good entry point. I have just worked on breaking through the level and everything is going great. Let's continue. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that after the pullback, the price approached our level again. At the moment, there is a kind of compression. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. We also see that the green histogram is formed at the same time, which means that volumes are growing for increase. I think that this level will be broken in the near future. Just at the moment, the price is already slowly starting to go beyond the level. And so, guys, let's wait for the result. Excellent, the level has been broken and we are making profit here. The indicator was right again. I have just worked on breaking through the resistance level. As you can see, the situation works well. Let's continue guys and consider another situation in the market. We have a level of support down here. We also see that at the moment there is a good confident downward movement. At the same time, there is still space for the support level, so I think we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. We also see that the red histogram is formed at the same time. Also, the price has recently had an extra potential for going down. I think that 2 minutes here will be quite enough, even taking into account possible pro trade or roll back up. So guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, the price slowed down a bit, but still the downward movement continued and here we make a profit. The indicator was right again, gave us a good entry point. We have just worked on the approach of the price to the level. Everything is going great. Let's continue guys. Here we have a level of support. We also see that at the moment after the rollback, the price has reached our level and there is a certain compression. Here we will also open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. Also the overall price potential is going down. At the same time a red histogram is formed. We see that as such there is no pullback from the level anymore. It is more likely that this level will be broken. And I hope 2 minutes will be enough for us guys. So guys, let's wait for the result. Not bad at all guys. After a little pro trading, the downward movement continued, the level was breached. here we get a good and confident profit, guys. I've just worked on breaking through the support level. Also, green histogram was formed during the rollback. Just as you understand that this situation can be counted as an error, and this is the false signal, since we also pay attention to the overall trading situation as a whole, and we see that the price is mainly moving down, and in this situation it would be more logical to assume that this level will still be broken. So guys, let's continue. We also have a level support down here. We also see that at the moment there is a downtrend and the price is approaching the support level. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. We also see that our entry point is confirmed by the indicator. A red histogram is formed. Also, the overall price potential is going down with a high probability that 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, guys, even taking into account possible pro trades. So guys, let's wait for the result. Oh, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price has continued to move to the level and we are making profit here. We have just worked on the approach of the price to the level. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again. These situations work perfect. Let's continue, guys, and consider another situation on the market. Here we have a level of support. We also see that at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond our level. Let's open a deal literally for 1 minute to go down. I think that this level will be broken in the near future, since the overall price potential is also going down and at the same time a red histogram is formed. I think that 1 minute here will be quite enough, guys, and perhaps we will get into the very impulsive moment of the price down in the very breaking of the level. As a rule, 1 minute quite enough in such situations. So yeah, the price is actually starting to go beyond our level, guys, so let's wait for the result. Oh great, as you can see, this level has been broken and we are making profit here. I have just worked on breaking through the support level. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again, and meanwhile I already have $5,000 on my deposit, so I think we'll open one more deal today. So give me some time, I'll search for a situation and we will continue. Here at the top we also have a resistance level. We also see that there is a good and confident downtrend. At the same time, there is still space to reach the resistance level. At the same time, a green histogram is formed. Let's open a deal for going up. I think that in the near future, after the pullback down, the price will turn around and continue to move to the level. Since the price here also has an excellent potential for increase, the price has been moving quite confidently lately. I think that we'll have time to work with you on this upward movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. What can I say? Excellent, guys. As you can see, indeed, after the pullback down, there was a reversal and the price continued to move to the level. This is where we make a profit, guys. Also, indicator, of course, gave us a good entry point. And on my deposit, I already have $9,000. So I think we'll finish on this because I fulfill my trading plan for today. So I just fix the profit and leave the market. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this trading session as much as me, and also, as you could see, all the market situation worked out perfectly today, and many market situations are similar to each other because in trading everything is repeated, and you can always find situations on the market and of course to make money on them. And as I said in the beginning of the video, that you can use this strategy both on OTC charts and on regular currency pairs. You can safely use this strategy everywhere. And guys, don't forget the most important thing, that trading is about experience, so don't forget to train and trade, and only then you will be able to create your own unique experience and always make profit, fulfill your trading plans, and everything definitely gonna work for you. I hope you like this video. If yes, put a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Also, guys, a bit of help for you. I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. If you want to join to this group, text me a code word signal on my Telegram. The link is down below, and this is definitely will help you out in trading as well, because these trading signals are from me, of course. So guys, I think that's it for today. I wish you to have a really great and successful trading session, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.